I haven't posted anything on this channel for like 3 years, so thought I'd do something fun. I ordered a refurb Singer 44S, and I've only sewn a couple times, and I'm just curious. I've never set up a sewing machine, so I wanted to see how quickly it would take to set this thing up. And I've got YouTube in the background, so I don't know anything going in setting up this machine. So I've got YouTube, piece of denim, some red string, and a chip bag, and some red thread to see how long it takes to set this thing up, figure it out, and make the world's worst cat toy. Alright, okay, so that's random. So I might speed this up in places, or the whole time if it's really terrible. It's a refurb, so your stuff, if you buy a new one, might look a lot nicer. So that is it. This is the second to the lowest line of their heavy duty model. The reason I got this instead of the 4411, it supposedly has auto threading. So other than that, it's the cheaper model. Okay, what do we do with this thing? This better have come with a paracord, or I'm gonna be pissed. So what does it come with? It comes with a manual, the cord, and the gas thing, and whatever this is. Oh, it's the world's cheapest cover with a handle hole. I might put this on eBay, so if you want to buy this. All right, quick YouTube break on figuring out how to thread this thing.
So we're going to go down by where the presser foot is and open the bobbin compartment, take off the cover.
Lady, how did you open that? Oh, she pushed on it. There's a little lever here, a black lever that goes to the side. Then it pops open. See that moving? I just got a new cat, so if it's slower, it's because of the cat.
We're going to hold the tail up and out of the way, and we're going to push on the foot pedal, and the bobbin will start spinning and winding. Once you wind it for a few seconds, you can stop and trim the thread close to the bobbin because the tail is buried, so it's not going to come unraveled. And then you can just keep filling it. When it's full, it's going to stop by itself. Now let's take care of the upper thread. And we're all ready to sew. Once we have our machine all threaded, it's time to test it out, make sure we threaded everything correctly. So we're going to sew a little test scene. First thing we're going to do is get our machine set up. So you want to go to a regular straight stitch, which is this stitch right. I'm going to put the presser foot down to get ready to sew, and then I'm going to push the pedal and start sewing.
Okay, I'm going to assume I got this. So, this denim's kind of thick, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to make a cat toy, kind of ovally shaped. Yeah. So this is gonna be really ugly. So I'm just gonna stick this in here and then start sewing, I guess. See if this works. Okay. Here we go. It's just gonna be like an ovally shape. So here's my gas pedal. Ah, shit. stop here. Ah! The cat's already playing with it. Success. Thanks. Wait, stop. Can you see that cat down here? Kelsey. Just chill. Just give me a second. I'm gonna finish this. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, there's the cat toy. Seems extra crunchy, right? You'd play with that, right? Hey, there's no stitches over there. Crap. Oh no, the threading thing disappeared. Oh, the cat pulled it out. Damn it. Kelsey, look what you made me do. Ah! Get out of there! Okay, now I think we can finish our stitching. Where's our toy? Here it is. Kelsey, leave me alone for a second, okay? Let's go back over here. Press our foot down. Back stitch. Up. Okay, so I think that's it. So, look at this ugly cat toy, and let me see the red stitching. Looks okay. Just gonna trim around the hole. And let's see if the cat plays with it. Kelsey. Oh my God, doesn't care at all. Alright, so there's the cat. I don't think the cat cares at all about the new toy. Get it! Alright, so that's it. That's 37 minutes with the learning curve and all that, so that's yay! Success. So again, that's the Singer 22S done by a complete moron. Alright, so it wasn't too bad. I'll put the link, the YouTube link. I'll put the YouTube link down below to show you what tutorial this was, but it was pretty good. Just the threading thing was a little wonky. So I'd say overall, it was probably less than 20 minutes once you plug it in. Pretty idiot proof. Alright, see ya.